Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're gonna work on this airplane from World War I. So first of all, let's start the clipping away process like we always do. So clipping away the sprues for these wheels. Then get the last little bit there. Next, we have some sprue cut here. This is the engine, looks like. After that, we got two more sprue cuts here. Some little parts, but very manageable. Continuing on here, there is this propeller. Now, we got this big sprue / support piece. We can manage to get that cut away. Clipping away the pieces here. And then you want to clip away these things that hold the plane together. One side. The other side. So actually we're done the clipping away process now. Let's start to glue it together. As you can imagine, you simply glue the two sides together. That's pretty good. Now let's glue on the front engine piece. Good. Now we're letting all that dry. You gotta take these little wheels and glue them together. Be sure to make sure you got one of each. See, the details are different on each wheel, so yeah. Good, so we got that done. So what is next is to glue on the supports that will hold the wheels. So get some glue there and there. Very good. All right, so, well, this can be a little tricky. So I was showing you how to glue this together. My recommendation is to glue and let these pieces dry as they are. And then, let's get this going here. This piece like that. All right, and once you have it like that, that's a good level for them to be at. And now put some glue in the end of each side here. and you're going to want to take these wheels and put them on the plane. But there's a certain side that works better for the wheels, so be sure to put the wheels on from that angle. Alright, so these wheels are a bit difficult as well. Try to put them on there, and if you have quick setting glue, that would be useful. Alright, so I just wanted to point out that it was fairly difficult to get the wheels on here, but if you put it on like this, where it's using the gravity to help it glue, or just use quick setting glue, this will be a better way. Worst case, you can just let it glue like this and wait till it dries, maybe brace it instead of holding it like this, and best of luck with that. Alright, so you can see here, we're gonna glue on the other side. I don't really have a way to prop that camera up there, so I'll show it to you in steps. So I added a little glue there. We're gonna take this wheel and just place it there. So you can see I added the wheel. Now I need to align it. Alright, once it's aligned into position, that's great. You can let it dry, get it into a good drying situation. Alright, so while those wheels are gluing, I'm going to put the propeller on. Let's just put the propeller on like at an angle like that. So that can be good enough for that. And of course this wheel is having problems. And there you go. Now there's just one piece left. This piece right here. And the only reason I'm holding it like this is so the wheel doesn't just get destroyed. So if you have quick setting glue, that would be useful. Let's put this final piece of this model here. And we're done. So there it is. It's available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.